Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online class. Hope you all are safe at home. Are you happy, children? Do you have interest to learn Science 1? Yes. So, shall we revise what we learned before classes? Right. For this test, we have the portion that is from page number 51 to 55, that is before chemical equations. Okay, after the exercise, that is page number 63 to 64. Okay, so this much you have to learn. So first we can learn fill in the blanks, that is from book back exercise. Okay, so you want to study now itself, then it is easy to write for the test. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct words. First one, dash is formed by chemical combination of two or more elements. Here option they have given as mixture or compound. Here by chemical combination they have formed, is it? So mixture means simply they have mixed. Here they have given by chemical combination they have mixed, formed, is it? So it is compound. So the answer is compound, not mixture. Okay, so don't study, that is by hearting. You want to understand and learn. Okay, then dash is an element and dash is a compound. The first dash they have given hydrogen or water. Question is dash is an element. Okay, here water means that is a compound, two element formed, hydrogen and oxygen. So this is not a element. Okay, so hydrogen is an element. Then next dash, and dash is a compound. Option is water and hydrogen. Compound means water, is it? Not hydrogen. Water only, it is made of two elements, is it? Hydrogen and oxygen. That's what it is, a compound. Then third one, chemical dash are the abbreviations used to represent elements, symbols or formulae. What's the answer? Symbols, is it? Chemical dash is the representation of a molecule of a compound using chemical symbols of its constituent elements. Abbreviation or formula. Dash is the combining capacity of an element. Combining capacity means valency. Is it? Combining capacity means valency. Don't forget. Dash is the chemical symbol for nickel. Here option given as N or Ni. N means nitrogen. Okay. So here they asked nickel. So Ni. First letter should be capital letter. Second letter should be small letter. Okay. So 6 questions. This one words have you all complete? Yes, very good. Then we can pass to next, that is choose the correct option. Okay, which out of the following cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means? Which out of the following cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means? So what's the answer? Option given as element, compound, mixture, molecule. So that is element, is it? Element. Element only we cannot broken down into simpler substances. Is it? Yes. Then what is the chemical symbol of iron? Chemical symbol of iron. Do you know? Yes. So iron means the option given as IRIFEF. Iron means ferrous, is it? So C option Fe is the correct answer. Okay. Then which of the following represents the chemical formula of a compound? Which of the following represents the chemical formula of a compound? Option given as C, Ca, Cu, CO2. Your question they asked formula of a compound, is it? So C means carbon, Ca means calcium, Cu means copper. Okay, these three are element. D option CO2, carbon dioxide. Their carbon and oxygen is present. Two elements they form together, is it? So it is a compound. So what's the answer for this question? Formula of a compound CO2, carbon dioxide. Then fourth one. What are the new substances that is formed? Sorry, that is the next question is um, which of the following elements exist as tetratomic molecules? Tetra means four, is it? So in this hydrogen, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus they have given. So which is the answer? Phosphorus. Okay. Then what is the chemical formula for sodium oxide? NaO, Na2O, NaO2, Na2O2. Na2O. How to find the sodium oxide? First, you should know the symbol sodium oxygen. So NaO. Then you should know the valency of sodium and oxygen. You all know sodium means 1, oxygen valency is 2. Cross it and you write Na2O you will get. Okay. Then eighth one. Not eighth, that is the next question. Which of the following elements exhibits valency 2? Which one has 2? Oxygen, sodium, aluminium or nitrogen, oxygen? Is it? Next, which of the following represents an element? NaCl, Cl2, HCl, KCl. Your element is Cl2. Chlorine, is it? Cl2. Next about match the following. Okay, match the following. So see your booklet, it is given in your booklet also. So now itself learn this. Calcium chloride. What's the answer for calcium chloride? Match it in column B. Calcium Ca. Chloride Cl2. Is it? So B option CaCl2. Then sulfuric acid, what's the formula? H2SO4. Okay. Then nitric acid, what's the formula? HNO3. Learn this, okay? HNO3. Then potassium oxide. Potassium means K. Is it? Kalium. Potassium oxide. So K2O. K2O, F option. Okay. Then calcium oxide. Calcium means Ca oxide O. Is it? So CaO. Okay. Then calcium carbonate. Ca, calcium carbonate. So CO3. So what's the formula? CaCO3. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay. Then we can pass to the question answer which we written in our booklet. Okay. So in that first question, what are chemical substances? You have written as changes, not changes. Correct it. Substances. What are chemical substances? Say the answer. Chemical substances are made of atom and molecules, is it? So chemical changes, not chemical substances. Chemical substances are made of atom and molecule. Okay. Then second question, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Learn this now itself. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Now, what are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms joined together. Okay. So, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Without looking, you say all of you. An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. What are molecules? Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Okay. Then fourth one. Differentiate between an element and a compound and mixture. Give one relevant example for each. So what's the answer? First paragraph is about element. Second paragraph is about compound. Third one is about mixture. Okay, easy only. Three definition you want to learn. First one, an element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atoms and cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Then example also they asked for each one, is it? So for example, gold, hydrogen gas, etc. Can you write? Then a compound is a substance that is formed when two or more elements combine chemically. For example, water, sodium chloride, etc. The properties of a compound are entirely different from those of its constituent elements. Okay. Then the last one, that is mixture. Mixture consists of two or more substances simply mixed together but not chemically combined. For example, air, salt solution, etc. A mixture retains the properties of its components. Okay. The next question, what is atomicity? What is atomicity? Give one example each for monatomic, diatomic and tetratomic elements. Okay. So what is atomicity? First you want to write the definition. The number of atoms that are present in one molecule of an element is known as atomicity. So what is atomicity? The number of atoms, okay, present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. Say all of you. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its atomicity. For example, the first one is monoatomic. Mono means one, is it? So say one example for monoatomic helium. Symbol is He. Then diatomic, di means two. What's the example? Hydrogen. So symbol is H2. Is it? Then tetratomic. Tetra means four. Example is phosphorus. Symbol P4. 4 means tetra. Okay. So learn this. Then sixth one. Name the elements present in the following components. The first one is SO2. SO2. So SO2, sulfur. S means sulfur. O means oxygen. Sulfur and oxygen is present. Okay. They asked only elements which are present in that compound. Okay, easy only. The next one is PbCl2. Do you know Pb means? What's that element? Lead. Okay. Pb means lead. Cl2 means chlorine. So lead and chlorine is present in this compound. Okay. Lead and chlorine that is present in the compound. Okay. Study with the spelling. Okay. If any spelling mistake is there, mark will be reduced. So with the spelling you want to learn. Okay. Then BaOH twice. BaOH twice. So which are the elements are present here? Ba. B is capital, A is small letter. So that is one element. Okay. Ba, barium. What is that element called as? Barium. Okay. Then OH. O means oxygen, H means hydrogen. Don't forget. Okay. Ba, barium, O, oxygen, H, hydrogen. Okay. So three elements are present in this compound. Okay. The next last one is LiF. LiF. See that letters Li. L is capital letter, I is small letter. That is an element. Okay. Li. Okay. So which element it is? Lithium. Say all of you. Lithium. 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 Then F is there. Is it? Fluorine. Fluorine. Okay. Fluorine. Fluorine. So lithium and fluorine, these two elements, they form together as a compound in that LiF. Okay. Then the last question, seventh one. Write the chemical symbol or formula for the following. The first one is sulfur. Sulfur, what's the symbol? Capital S. Sulfur, what is the symbol? Capital S. Then phosphorus. Phosphorus. Capital P. Hydrochloric acid. What's the symbol? Formula? Do you know? Yes. Next, the seventh question is, Write the chemical symbol or the formula of the following. Is it? Yes. So, what's the first one? Sulfur. What's the symbol? Capital S. Phosphorus. Capital P. Hydrochloric acid. HCl. Is it? Here, hydrogen. Capital H. Chlorine. Cl. C should be capital. L should be small letter. Okay, so H capital, again chlorine, C should be capital letter, L should be small letter, that is L. Okay, not 1. So HCl. Okay, small l you want to write, don't write capital L. Next, aluminium, Al. Okay, Al, A should be capital letter and L should be small letter. So don't write 1 or capital L, L should be small letter. Okay, so aluminium symbol is Al. Next one is zinc oxide. Zinc means Z10. What's the symbol? Z10. Here Z should be capital and N should be small letter. Okay, Z10. Then oxide, O, capital O. Okay, so you want to write Z as capital, N as small, and again oxygen O as capital letter. Okay, so Z10O is the formula for zinc oxide. Okay, so have you all understand how to write this symbol or formula for each question? Yes, so study all those questions clearly and thoroughly. Okay, so which we learned today, now itself learn. If you do not complete, sit and learn thoroughly. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the, or we will revise the portion which we have studied already from this lesson. Okay, so for the test portion already I have said, that is page number 51 to 57. Okay, 51 to 57. Okay, till that chemical, not 57, 55. Okay, so you learn that thoroughly. Understand? Yes. And also book back exercise 2 lesson 2 pages you have, page number 63 and 64. Okay, so learn thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you.